A card is drawn from a well-shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. Find the probability of each event. A card drawn is red card, face card. So sample space, number of elements in sample space 52. Card drawn is red card. Total red cards 13 hard cards and 13 diamond cards. Red color cards 26. So number of elements in set A is 26. You want probability of A. So find the probability of each event. First is red card. So P of A is N of A upon N of S. Total cards 52. Red cards 26. Probability is half. Card drawn is face card. Total face cards 12. You have 4 sets and in each set you have 3 face cards, king, queen and jack. So here it is 12. So N of B is 12. Face cards are 12. N of S is 52. Total cards. So it is simplified, reduce it to the lowest term. So it is 3 by 13 is the probability. A box contains, next question, a box contains 5 strawberry chocolates, 6 coffee chocolates and 2 peppermint chocolates. Find the probability for each of the following. So it is one chocolate is picked up from the box. It may be a coffee chocolate. It is an peppermint chocolate. So sample space contains 5 plus 6 plus 2 different types of chocolates, total 13. Event is coffee chocolate. Number of elements in A, that is coffee chocolate 6. So it is 6 upon 13. Peppermint chocolate 2 upon 13. This is the probability. So probability is expressed as a fraction or percentage. Probability of any event is from 0 to 1 or 0% to 100%. Probability never be greater than 1. If E is any event, then 0 is less or equal to probability of E, which is less or equal to 1. So here it is expressed in percentage. Probability 1/4 is written as 25%. This is one example which is given. You can read it. Your practice set 5.4. If 2 coins are tossed, find the probability of the following event. Getting at least one head, getting no head. These are the 2 events which are given. So 2 coins are tossed. Sample space is HH, HT, TT, TH. Number of elements be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Event A is getting at least one head. So at least one, 2 allowed. 1, 2. So this is 1, 2, 3. So number of elements in A, 3. At least one head, 2 allowed. So this is P of A is N of A upon N of S, that is 3 by 4, means 75% if you want to express it in percent. Event B, getting no head means only tail. So this is one element only, N of B upon N of S, 1/4, that is 25% is the probability. If 2 dice are rolled simultaneously, find the probability of following events. 3 events are given. Study one by one. Sample spaces. So here 1, 1, 2, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 6, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 1, 2, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. These were total 36 elements in N of S. Event A, sum of the digits on the upper face is at least 10. Minimum 10, at least 10. So here 4 plus 6, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. Here you can observe 4 plus 6, 10. Then 5 plus 1, 6 we don't want. 5 plus 2, 7 we don't want. 5 plus 3, 8 we don't want. 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 5, 10. So this we can include. 5 plus 6, 11. This we can include. 6 plus 4, 10. 6 plus 5, 11. 6, 6, 12. So sum of the digits on the upper face is at least 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements in the set. So probability is N of A upon N of S, 6 upon 36, that is 1 by 6. So probability that the sum of the digits on the upper face is at least 10 is 1/6. Event B, sum of the digits on the upper face is 33. So digits on the upper face is 33. Observe sum of the digits on the upper face. Here 1 plus 6 7, 2 plus 6 8, 6 plus 3 9, 4 plus 6 10, 5 plus 6 11 and 6 plus 6 12. So we don't have any maximum. 6 plus 6 12. We don't have any number where sum is 33. So B is empty set. Number of elements in B is 0. So probability of B is n of B upon n of S. So it is 0. Probability that the sum of the digits on the upper face is 33 is 0. C is the event that the digit on the first die is greater than the digit on the second die. So digit on the first die is greater. So you have 2 1. Here it is digit on the second die is greater. You want digit on the first die is greater. So accordingly, here 2 1, 3 1, first die digit is greater, 3 2, then 3 3 we don't want, 3 4 we don't want. We want digit on the first die is greater. So 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, then 4 4, 4 5 we don't want, 4 6 we don't want, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, then 5 5, 5 6 we don't want, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, satisfying the condition. So how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. N of C, elements in set C, 15. Probability of C, n of C upon n of S. So 15 by 36, reduce it to the lowest term.